Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video I am going to talk about an interesting topic, and the topic is how to create animated videos in Canva for free. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. First of all, you can see we are already in Canva platform and we already have an account over here. Okay, you can see we already get another thing here, that is congratulations, you made it, you are the person, number is this. So continue here and let's skip to end. So we are in our dashboard panel and you need to be create an account to get access of this page. Once you create complete, just click over here and you can choose your any layout you want. Once you visit that place, you will have the option here to edit that layout. So here you need to be work with like ideally, like you need to be think like wisely so you can make things animated. Like we have, if I add an element here, that you can see this is not animated, this is a static file, static image I can say, which is here I just drag and drop. So if I want to make it animated or animation, then I need to be click on that option animated. Once I click over here, you can see we have various animation option. Wiggle, you can see it's now wiggling, and we have pulse, we have filter, and similarly we have many more options. If you want to make every element animated, then you can do it. Like let's create something cute and cat and then generate image, and then we will make animation on that image. So here it will take a while to create this design. It is a great features in Canva that called magic media, where you can create any images over that place. So I am going to create this one, then I will remove the background. First of all, this will be mandatory. Let's click on BG remove. Once I click over here, it will take a while and then it will give me option where I can only use the image. Now you can see we already get an image. So let's make a design over that, then we will make some animation in this option. So let's find out some flower, animator flower, and also we already have some by default animation flower over that place. If I click over here, then find out animation flower animations. Once I search this option, I will get, look, you can check out, this already has an animation. If it will fly from this to this, it will look significant. So let's something more, let's find out, this may be good, let's add it here. One by one we are going to design it as it we want. So again, let's find out something. So make this design, I'm trying to make this design as engaging as possible, so I hope you understand. But I'm going to, let's make it in a group, let's make it in a group. So now I can easily drag and drop and place it anywhere I want. But okay, I think we did some mistake, that's why I am got out. So you can see our design has been here. So let's click on elements again and click on see all, then click on the flower animation options and click this see all button, and now you can see we have again the option here. So one by one we are going to implement those designs over here, and we will make sure that our design will be looks nice. This is the main thing. Let's find out something again. This will be good. You can see we have various options over here, so you need to be find on one by one. Let's find out something, this one. Yeah, it's look nice. Then copy it again, duplicate it and paste it here. Again, paste some flower. It will time consuming. You need to be find it carefully, then apply it on your design so your design look really amazing. It's totally up to you how you are going to work on. So let's apply it here and then find out something that will be this one. This may look nice, and find out something furthermore that will be this. And where is a flower? I think it's okay, we already had much flower. Let's find, I already see a flower and tree, and let's implement it over that place. I think it's look nice now. Let's find out some other flower if possible. Add this here. You can see this look really nice. Again, add it here, and you can see our design looks really nice. So as you can see, our design already has been done. We just want to add something more elements so design will be more engaging. That will be sun animation, and then find out something that will be good for our design. I think this may be good. Let's select it and paste it here. So now our work has been done, so we are going to add animation on the cat. So click over here, cat, and we can click on wiggle, but we don't want wiggle effect. We want an effect that will be go from that place to that place, and we will set wiggle to this balance option. Just click over here and we will reduce the intensity so it looks nice right now. I think so, in my eye it looks nice. So let's add an animation that will be create animation, and let's go create an animation. Just click over here and click on control and just type it here. You need to be click on shift, and then you need to be drag it one by one as you want. So I hope you understand. Let's do it for ourselves. Hold shift whistle and dragging to create a straight line, control to the speed. Okay, let's try it. So it's maybe working or not. Let's try it. I think now it's working. Have a look, you can see it. So we can change the speed. Look, our animation video has been done, and this, it is like a normal design. If you want to do it more complex way, you are allowed to do it. Like, I just give you the sample or basic idea about animation, how animation really work. I hope this video feel you that this video is helpful for you. If you found out this video is really helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, have a good day.